What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Jawbreaker by Machine-Gun-Kelly. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double Eskimo punch your jaw and break your face off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning, and if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as any of the chord diagrams. You can find those in there as well. This song has three parts. I'm going to show you all three of them. Pretty much they all repeat throughout the entire song except the one riff that's at the end. I'll show you that as well. Starting with the simple chord progression, this just repeats throughout the entire song. It's just a couple power chords. You're going to put your index finger on the 5th fret of the A and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D. It's the D power chord. Slide that down, or slide that up 2 frets to 7 and 9, and then up 2 more frets to 9 and 11. And now you can palm mute. That's how it's played in the beginning of the song. 8 counts on your D bar chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 on, this is a E power chord. 1, 2, 3. And then 5 on, this is an F power, or this is like an F sharp power chord here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can strum. And now there's another little lead part that kind of picks throughout the entire song as well. It's really simple. It's just the middle finger on the 7th fret of your D string, index finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and you're just picking back and forth, just G, D, and I'm using my hand here to mute the string, so it gives it that muted punchy sound. And it just repeats over and over and over again. Now towards the end of the song, there is a cool little, I don't even know if it's a guitar. I think it's a guitar with an octave shifter on it, but it's pretty fun to play. So you're gonna start on the 4th fret of your D string, 7 on B, 5 on B, 6 on G, 4 on G, 7 on D, back to 4 on G, and give it a little bend, a little quick bend, back to 7 on D, back to 4 on D, so. That's the first half. Second half is you've already plucked that D on the 4th fret again. Same thing. But instead of going here, back and bending, you're kind of bending and holding for a second. And then 2 plucks on the 7th fret of the D. That looks like. So all together slowly, the whole riff looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.